Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Raita is a great accompaniment for rice recipes as well as for Indian breads. Now we all know about the popular onion raita and the bundi raita, which is very quick to make. But today I'm going to share a very simple yet tasty raita recipe made with snake gourd. This tastes amazing with plain rice, so let's get started and check it out. For the snake gourd raita, I have taken 3 small size snake gourds, washed them nice and clean, remove the skin and the seeds inside to chop them into small pieces like these. The next step is to cook the vegetable. For this, take a pot, add about 1.5 cups of water and heat it. Once the water is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt, a pinch of turmeric powder and mix. After the water begins to boil, add the chopped snake gourd pieces and cover the pot with the lid. Cook the snake gourd pieces on low-medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, strain off the water and keep the cooked snake gourd pieces aside. Now to the mixer jar, add 1/4 cup of fresh coconut bits, a piece of ginger roughly chopped, 4 green chilies cut into half and 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Grind it all together to get a coarse mixture and keep it aside. Now to a large bowl, add 1 cup of fresh curd, whisk it nicely so there are no lumps in it. You can then add some water and dilute it a bit. Mix it all well and add the ground coconut mixture. Now add the cooked snake gourd pieces. Give it a nice mix. You can check for seasoning at this stage and add salt if required. For the tempering, take a tempering pan and pour 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 2 red chillies, 1/4 teaspoon of hing and a few curry leaves. Turn off the heat and transfer the tempering ingredients to the raita. Mix it and sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves on top. There you go, here is our delicious snake gourd raita. This is ready to be served with rice. You can also enjoy this with parathas. Wow, I really love the flavors. It's such a simple dish and it's a great body coolant. Make sure to get some nice fresh tender snake gourds for this particular dish. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.